The idea of a fighter jet so fast that it can outrun its own missiles sounds like science fiction, but in 2026, the rumored US F-47 is pushing that concept closer to reality. This aircraft is not just another upgrade or a replacement, it represents a completely new philosophy of air combat, designed under the Next Generation Air Dominance program. The F-47 is built for a future where speed, information, and control matter more than anything else in the sky. What makes the F-47 so shocking is not just how fast it is, but how it achieves that speed without sacrificing stealth, range, or intelligence. Unlike previous fighters that relied on raw engine power alone, the F-47 uses a combination of adaptive cycle engines, advanced materials, and AI-controlled flight systems. These engines can dynamically switch between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modus, allowing the aircraft to cruise efficiently and then unleash extreme speed when needed. In high-speed mode, analysts believe the F-47 can exceed Mach 2.5 while maintaining full combat capability. This is where the headline claim begins to make sense. Traditional air-to-air missiles are designed to chase targets flying at Mach 1 to Mach 2. But if the F-47 accelerates aggressively after launch, it can temporarily move faster than the missile's initial flight phase. That doesn't mean the missile is slow, it means the aircraft is redefining the engagement envelope. By launching from extreme speed and altitude, the F-47 gives its missiles a massive energy advantage while keeping itself ahead of threats. Speed alone, however, doesn't explain why the F-47 is considered revolutionary. The aircraft is built around a fully integrated digital brain. Artificial intelligence assists the pilot by managing sensors, flight stability, threat detection, and even tactical decisions. Instead of the pilot manually processing radar data, infrared tracking, and electronic signals, the aircraft fuses everything into a single, real-time combat picture. The result is situational awareness so advanced that the pilot often knows where the enemy is before the enemy knows they are being tracked. Stealth is another defining feature. While previous fighters focused mainly on radar and visibility, the F-47 goes much further. Its design reduces infrared signature, electromagnetic emissions, and even acoustic detection. Advanced heat management systems redirect engine exhaust and reduce thermal spikes, making it extremely difficult for enemy sensors to detect the aircraft even at high speed. This combination of stealth and velocity is something no previous fighter has achieved at this level. The F-47 is also designed to operate as the command hub of an entire aerial network. Instead of fighting alone, it controls autonomous wingmen drones that fly alongside it. These drones can scout ahead, jam enemy radars, carry weapons, or even sacrifice themselves to protect the main aircraft. From the cockpit, the pilot can assign tasks to these drones with minimal input, allowing one human to control an entire formation. This completely changes how air battles are fought. Weapons integration on the F-47 is equally advanced. The aircraft is expected to carry next-generation missiles like the AIM-60 GAT, internally preserving stealth while delivering extreme range and speed. Thanks to its high-speed launch profile, missiles fired from the F-47 travel farther and hit harder. The aircraft's sensors can also guide missiles launched by other platforms, including drones and distant fighters, without ever revealing its own position. Another key feature is survivability. Instead of relying solely on armor or countermeasures, the F-47 focuses on avoiding threats altogether. Its speed allows it to disengage from dangerous situations faster than any previous fighter. Its electronic warfare systems can disrupt enemy targeting long before a missile is fired, and if an enemy weapon does get close, the aircraft's AI-assisted maneuvering can perform extreme evasive actions beyond normal human reaction limits. The cockpit itself reflects the future of aviation. Large panoramic displays replace traditional instrument panels, while voice commands and eye tracking reduce pilot workload. The aircraft monitors pilot stress levels and adjusts information flow accordingly. In long missions, this reduces fatigue and improves decision-making during critical moments. The F-47 IS&T just fested is smart enough to protect its pilot mentally as well as physically. Range is another area where the F-47 surprises experts. Despite its speed, the adaptive engines allow it to travel long distances without refueling. This gives it the ability to patrol vast regions, respond rapidly to threats, and strike targets deep inside contested airspace. Combined with aerial refueling and drone support, The F-47 becomes a global response platform rather than a regional fighter. Maintenance and sustainability also play a major role. Unlike older aircraft that require extensive downtime, the F-47 is designed with modular systems that can be quickly replaced or upgraded. Software updates can enhance performance without physical modifications, ensuring the aircraft stays ahead of evolving threats. This approach reduces costs and keeps the fleet combat-ready at all times. What truly sets the F-47 apart is how it changes the psychology of air combat. Enemy pilots must now assume they are being tracked by something they cannot see, cannot outrun, and cannot easily target. The combination of speed, stealth, AI coordination, and networked warfare gives the F-47 an overwhelming advantage before a single shot is fired. While many details remain classified, one thing is clear. The F-47 is not designed for dogfights of the past. It's built for a future where battles are decided by information, dominance, speed, and precision at extreme distances. The claim that it can outrun its own missiles IS&T, just a headline it, is a symbol of how far aviation technology has advanced. As the skies become more crowded with drones, hypersonic weapons, and electronic warfare systems, the F-47 stands as the United States' answer to the next era of air dominance. Faster than threats, smarter than enemies, and more connected than any fighter before it. The F-47 isn't just a new aircraft TDS, a statement about the future of warfare in the air.